Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to use Apple Intelligence Image Playground to create AI images. After 2 weeks of waiting time, I have got it approved recently. Looks like Apple is onboarding very few number of users, developers, batch by batch, to let them experience this image playground feature before the official rollout of iOS 18.2 iOS 18.2 release date is expected to be around second week of December as per the leaks from trusted sources. Before that, if you're installing iOS 18.2 on your iPhone, and the very important thing is the compatibility. Similar to all other Apple Intelligence feature, the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 models only, even if you install the beta, can try this image playground feature. So let's have a quick walkthrough of how this works. You can generate pictures of nature, or you can generate images using attaching your photo, a selfie, or you can use the camera to take a quick selfie, create a cartoon like 3D picture with a text prompt that you want to describe how the background of the photo should look like and how the main subject of the photo should react. Like if you want to add some emotions like some funny or some sad expression, then you can of course explain it with the text prompt. And right now it is kind of working 50-50, and being the first beta, you can submit a feedback by pressing the thumbs up icon or thumbs down icon below that photo. And if you find any photo useful, you can simply tap on the three dots below that image and you can share it, or using the share sheet you can save it to your Photos app or directly share it with WhatsApp, Telegram or Messages application. So far I haven't faced any limitations. You can simply swipe to left to generate more number of images until you find something that matches your expectation. Over period of upcoming iOS updates, 18.2 updates, and with the 18.3, I think more fine tuning will be done. And below the image you can see Apple have kept some ready-made themes and templates that you can use to generate image using image playground with stunning backgrounds, something creative. And you can of course add more number of like 3, 4 or 5, even more than 5. I think you can add multiple text prompts to describe your image how it should be. You can try some accessories like hat, sunglasses and so on. And during this image generation I have noticed a little bit warm temperature to a little extra heat due to the usage of CPU and GPU. Even though this feature kind of does most of the things on device, looks like Apple servers also involved to enable and do the processing at their part, so you can get the best fine print as an output. So below you can see costumes and themes and several other ready-made templates that you can use to generate the image. And the image playground looks really promising. Like while conversing with your friends or family members, you can quickly generate their photos, attach their photos, and you can generate any images to make the conversation a little bit funnier. I have tried generating some of my friends photos, as you can see, with studio type of backgrounds, and even plain backgrounds worked really well. And it kind of reminded me with the Meta AI image generation, where we upload the photo and they generate an image, an avatar that resembles you, and you can adjust the hair and other facial features, the costumes and everything. But this one is much better, and the level of accuracy with the photo that you upload seems to be much better than other AI tools that I have tried. Most of the AI tools that requires several photos of yours, you can just do it with one photo using the image playground Apple Intelligence feature. But the features I have tried with several AI profile picture or AI photo generators require several photos in order to get the facial features correct. So that won't be the requirement here, and I think it is quite a big win for Apple to create a good looking image using the Apple Intelligence image playground. In closer lookup, you can see you can change the appearance with three different options, apart from the photo. When you tap on the edit with the appearance, you can change the skin tone, the overall look, and the type of hair that you require. They keeps on changing. You can simply select which one you need based on the gender preference and other facial features whichever require for you to, the skin tone including, you can generate using these appearance settings. The same exact application is going to be available for iPad with iPad OS 18.2, and once macOS 15.2 Sequoia comes out, you can of course try the image playground application. And from the plus menu, you can see that the second option provides, apart from animation, which is a 3D image, you can create a 2D image using the illustration mode. So these are kind of an illustration style like Sketchworks that creates Apple Intelligence AI images with the same level of text prompt and other, the templates that you choose from the available options. Being the first beta, I'm really impressed with the output that it generates with both the animation, the 3D image, and with 2D illustration image for the photo I have attached. I can, keep on providing more prompts and changing the background and the subject with the different costumes. And the only thing I'm kind of missing is, even though I give a full body view or full subject, to be visible within the square photo, the text prompt is still not getting what I'm trying to say. So maybe in future we will see at least more customization, with costumes and a better picture output according to the prompt that we give. For the first beta, I think it is much better, but it definitely needs improvement, and sometimes it just fails to understand the text prompt that I give using the text box. So do share your thoughts about Apple Intelligence Image Playground on the comments. If you have tried it in your iPhone or iPad, do share your experience with it. Thanks for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.